job, that bill will f you up. Get your camera out of the way.
You don't want to breathe it in.
Out. Eat them. Well, we are officially in Ocean City. Got Sam and Nick with me, and yeah, we're gonna go out. I think we're gonna do some deep dropping, maybe some trolling. Yeah, Austin's still on his way down, so he's got us working some of the baits, getting them all prepped up, got the rods all out. Yeah, so it should be a fun overnighter. We're gonna probably fish till tomorrow midday. It looks like the afternoon's not gonna be as pretty, so we'll see what weather permits. And yeah, stay posted. This is kind of our 2019 fall offshore adventure.
Nothing. Boat came from Florida. They were snapper fishermen, so they love that shit. All right, boys, ready?
Okay, lock.
Your lever drag here.
Got it.
Alright. You're gonna start dropping, okay? Just don't backlash it. Hold here.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
Start dropping. Drop pretty quick, but stop it every like 150 feet, okay?
Okay, 650. Yeah. Okay, 980. Okay, I'm at 13. I seen him whack it the first time. There he is. There he is.
He's still on. He's on. Come on, eat it. Come on.
Watch this line here.
Hey, no. Is he thumping it?
Swordfish. Gotta be. Oh yeah, come on. That was a big hit there.
Come on, Austin.
Got it.
He's tight.
Get it here. Start reeling. Get everything up. Start reeling. Start reeling.
Very good.
Nice work, boss.
Up, guys.
Good work.
Watch this rod here. Watch this rod here. Yeah. He's taking drag. He's taking drag.
Fuck yeah. Great job, boys. We got something on here.
Okay, lift up for a sec, Sam.
Keep doing you. I'm not ready yet.
Yeah.
Just hold.
Nice work, Sam. Nice work. Yeah, baby. Get tight.
Nope. Just when he gets near under the boat, just bump forward, Kel. Crank down, buddy. Good job. pissed. I got mine. In gear, Kelly. In gear. Okay, out of gear. So. Follow him this way, Sam. Follow him this way, Sam.
There you go, buddy.
So we'll get ready on that.
Yep. Come on, buddy. You got this. We're almost there.
In gear. Out of gear. You get tired with the switch anglers. Follow. You okay?
Like my spine is just above me.
Quick bumps. Go in gear when I touch this. You're good. Reel down, reel down, reel down, reel down, reel down. Reel down. It's the sword. The sword. Just in gear. Reel down, reel down, reel down. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hurry. Yeah, 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 hurry. You got it, boys. 1, 2, 3. Come on, come on. Come on.
Yeah, boy!
Yeah, boys, that's why we come out here. Great job, buddy, first swordfish.
Yeah.
Woo! Big
Yeah.
time sword. Oh, he's hooked so good too. Let's get this thing on hook, catch another one.
Oh,
Got him!
Got him!
Got him! Woo!
I'll get it.
Yeah, guys, that's why we come out here at night.
The sword?
Cutters.
I think these ones will cut. Close.
Just little bumps.
Could this be a unit? Like a...
You never know, daytimes, buddy. He hit the bottom. He's like, I'm on bottom. You normally it goes in and pulls out. Never pulled out, bro. I just went slack. That's you got one. You got one. Pull it away from him. Keep going. And we're fishing still. Wade's like 100 feet away. Oh yeah, he's pissed now. In gear. Keep him coming, Nick. Keep him coming, Sam.
Big sword.
Stop, stop, stop. All right, try to pull him up. Try to pull
Oh
him up.
my.
Get over here to the rod.
Okay. Austin, talk to me. Talk to me.
Get over here. Get the dart, man. Get the gap. Pull him up, Daniel. Pull him up. Easy, easy, easy.
Get him. Attaboy. Get that gap. Get that gap.
Big sword. Big sword. We got him. We got him.
You got it?
Stay out of here. Big sword.
You got him?
All right, get another gap. Get another gap. Fuck yeah, big sword. Get around the opposite side of the head. Opposite side of the head. Okay.
Oh, baby! I'm in a questionable position right now. My hand is closed and you'll take this gaff. I'm gonna take the blowing block, okay? Can you grab?
Gap, Sam. I gotta get the fill. Get this gap here. This gap. Hold on. Dan, you got it?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Holy!
Big one!
Oh! Hell yeah!
Oh yeah, barely hooked.
I'm done. Nice work, gentlemen.
Let's get set back out. Actually,
That's cool, buddy.
hand me that down, Kelly.
Dude, that's insane. Now, Sammy boy. Jesus.
Wow. Big one. Woo! Big one.
Yeah, baby. Holy. That's unreal.